Today's episode will feature Duolingo, a language learning app available on both web and mobile devices with the domain duolingo.com. As of 2023, the number of registered users on Duolingo is standing at about 54 million. Such a huge dataset. There's a site under the domain duom.eu that actually shows the score streak of top users. Let's pick users randomly from it and use them for our today's small demo. Using Duolingo's own API, we will try to figure out the actual names of some of the users with pseudonames, their country of origin, profile picture, native language among other bunch of info, all as an unauthenticated user, by use of user's endpoint. The URL I've entered is just to show the API version info using the get method. Let's now go to the one for the users, and see what info we can gather from the users available at that domain, the Duom, which is listing score streaks for the users. To find a user, you have two options readily available for you. You can either use an email, or actual username like I'll be doing in this demo. Let's do this. The info I want to know from this users are four. Namely, the user's actual name, his or her location, current profile picture and the date he or she joined Duolingo. Mother Google is always your nearest friend when you want to translate data you don't understand. Peep peep. Google, search this for me real quick. And Google says, done. Here's your info. To view the image of the user using the link provided in the API endpoint, all you have to do is to add a hyphen, followed by the word X extra large to the link, as I'll be doing shortly, and you'll be able to see an enlarged current image of the user. A thing to note is that time is presented using the Uniplexed Information Computing System epoch time, also known as the Unix timestamp, and so, we will have to convert it into an easy-to-read format using any Unix timestamp to date time converter. It's also easy to figure out if the user has linked his or her account with other services like Google, or even the phone number. In Duolingo native language, null means no data, true means yes, and false means the account is not linked. Let's fetch few more data from other users, and see what we can find. You can imagine if Duolingo required few more details from you the user, and the data was publicly available. People would easily manipulate the platform just to steal your data. To all those people who love their privacy, after seeing this video you should now head over to Duolingo, and make sure you remove any personal identifiable information, since it is not mandatory in order to use the app. Anyway, that's the awareness I wanted to share with you. If you enjoyed learning about it, hit the like button, press the magic subscribe button, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Until next time, Bella ciao my friends.